Golf R. Would you recommend it or not? I make my draggy spot hot. We gotta get a launch in this thing, bro. Oh, what's good? It's your boy. We are back with another video. What I'm about to do right now, we gotta slide over to Andy's crib. He said he got a new part he wants to install on his Golf R. So you already know we gotta show up for that. I'm trying to see what it's looking like. Hopefully it's gonna help his handling quite a bit. So let's go over there. Let's see what it's looking like. Let's roll out. We just pulled up. We at Andy's spot now. I mean, like he already got little chocks on the back already. Or like you already prepped up the top too. Oh, you got it in there. Just a couple bolts. So tell me about this. It's gonna stiffen up that front of the chassis, right?
Yeah.
Crazy. It's crazy how it's all hidden. You know, I'm so used to strut bars just running across the top. It's crazy. No one even knows. So all you had to do was take a couple clips out over here, a couple clips over there, or does it just pop right out?
I didn't take the driver's side off.
Okay.
I left that side on. I didn't want to take off the wipers.
Okay.
So I
just
bent it up.
Bent it up.
Enough play for it to work underneath it.
Yeah. And just did both sides just like that by just sort of lifting up, getting under there. Cleaned out my truck finally this weekend. Seems like everybody's getting stuff done. So, as you know, cleaned out the truck. Also washed both cars. Put Shorty's intake back on because I took it off because I had got a oil change down on it at the factory. Over there. Yeah, so I just took it off just to make sure I ain't got no warranty thing going on. But it's like a 10-minute install. Took that off. Put the new one. Put it back on there now. Over here, my boy's getting the front strut bar on. I still got to get something done on the F36 because I have not gotten around to getting it done. You guys definitely need to stay tuned to see what that's looking like. And he got a dash cam in here now. Bro, I love this stuff right here. The total interior cleaner.
Smells good.
Bro, I told y'all this is the move right here. I just had that in my last video. Yeah, that dash cam is tough. He was able to get some footage last night of people running.
I saw it late.
Sheesh, this versus the B58.
Yeah.
Dang. Yeah, bro, the B58s, they breathe. And the end, like the turbos aren't like super small stock turbos you normally see on cars, so they make good power, you know what I mean? But that dash cam works nice because you're just able to see that footage just a little bit there. I mean, and it just goes automatically to your phone, or you gotta like pull it and download it, or
connect to the dash cam.
Okay.
With Bluetooth.
Okay.
Then you download the video.
Then download. And what's the brand of this dash cam you running?
Fit Cam X.
Fit Cam X.
Yeah.
Check it out. All right, so we hopping in now. Definitely. Time to test out the new piece in Andy's whip. Seatbelt on, you know what I mean? I know whenever I put strut bars on my whips, man, you can feel it. You can definitely feel it. Bro, when we left that Cars and Coffee out there in Buffalo, and we came around that turn, bro, you was starting to lose me a little bit in the turn. I was like, hold on. I felt like I was like literally leaning over. It's because the S-Drive, like they make them so much taller than compared to just the rear wheel drives on those too. They sit up a little bit higher. We'll see if we can figure out some more handling modifications. I gotta get some go fast bits first though. That's always on my agenda first. It's like 5 something. Yeah, it ain't nothing crazy. It's just a matter of like to get some of the other stuff done. Now you got a downpipe on this. Any other exhaust modifications?
Yeah,
Resonator delete. Okay. We got one of those little scents in here.
Yeah.
I used to have that in my Subi back in the days, bro. Yeah. JDM, bro. Yeah. Smell good and it lasts forever too.
Keep one like the empty ones. Everything just smells good.
Yeah, just extra scent, just cause. I'm trying to run a scat pack.
Those come out. Yeah. Like track hawks.
Track hawks. Wow, my league right now. We're gonna eat a scat though. Felt it in that turn right there.
Yeah.
You can feel it. Does it feel much tighter up front, or?
The turn feels quicker.
Oh, okay. So it's like a quicker turn then.
Yeah.
Bro, when you look at the long run springs on here, you already know. I ain't even trying to run with them when we go to Watkins Glen again. like I'm gonna slide in the wall, bro. They're gonna be going because you got the tires now. Put the springs on. You got the strut bar and the rear sway bar. Bro, this thing is crazy.
Yeah, this feels good.
Yeah, bro. I can feel it like down here. I can feel those bolsters. Like you sort of like the bolsters are actually being used right now. You know what I mean? Like, here we go. We got some opening room. Yo, oh, he's trying to handle good.
We do your pass.
Oh, you want to know my side? Gonna make my spot hot?
No.
You trying to make my draggy spot hot? Yo, come on, yo, this is scooting, bro. Definitely, we gotta get a launch in this thing, bro. See what it's looking like. I'll show you where I go. Recommend, don't recommend strut bar Mk7.5 Golf R. Would you recommend it or not? Yeah.
Highly recommend.
Yeah, this thing feels good, bro. Combine rear sway bar versus strut bar. What would you go for at first?
Oh man, they both make a difference.
Both noticeable difference.
Yeah.
You can go either or with it.
Either or, yeah.
Yeah. Okay. It's the first I've ever heard that, so you guys know now too.
I'll go with rear sway bar first.
Rear sway bar first is what he's confirming.
That rear sway bar, they get rid of the floaty feeling.
Yeah. Bro, I noticed the same when I did it on my GTI, bro. It just felt like much more planted, especially when you go into turns. Does this have multiple settings on the one you have?
Yeah, it's like two settings.
What brand did you go with?
034.
Oh, okay. So it's the same one I had. I had 034, different sizing for the years, but
Wanna do a launch?
yeah, we about to do a launch. Yeah, this is wild.
It was at this moment I knew I fucked up.
Oh shit! Yo, yo, that was, bro, what? Bro, I felt like one of those moments where they like unbutton or like they unbolt the front seats so the person go flying back. Yo, that was crazy.
Wasn't expecting that.
Nah, bro, I wasn't expecting it to go like that, bro. I did not see that coming. Bro, that's crazy. Thank you. Taking me for a whip. Launching it, bro. Trying to break my neck. Man, literally tried to break my neck in the car. Nah, but that was this thing launches like crazy, bro. You ain't never been in, so stage 2. Ethanol, E30?
Yeah, E30.
E30. Mk7 Golf R. Got a pretty brutal launch to it. That was nice. That felt really good. Thank you, man. Appreciate it. We are back at the spot now. That was a super easy install based off of what Andy told me. I thought he was gonna need some help with the install, but it seems like he got it done super easy, super quick. Bro, that launch, that thing is nuts. That thing is moving. Did you see? Bro, I was like, we're gonna get a tune on the car. I gotta get a tune. I just definitely stay tuned because that is coming real soon now. At this point, your boy is definitely gonna get the tune ordered, and we're gonna put that on the whip because, yeah, that was quick. Anyways, if you want to see another cool video, make sure to check out this video up here that I'm about to post up there. It's another cool video. I know it's another banger. I know you guys are gonna want to see that, so definitely check that out. Anyways, it's your boy. We signing out with another video. Make sure to hit that like button and subscribe button down below, and check out that next video. Peace. Told you guys, no cap. Just ordered that thing. Ordered up. Let's go.